My window fogged up, but look at here. You got some birds coming out. They're looking for some food. There's one down there. Here, I'll wipe off my window. Oh, he flew off as soon as he saw me wipe off the window. But yeah, right there. Let's see. They're down there. They're come flying in. They're looking for some food. Well, let's go feed these guys. Alright, we're going to feed these birds. Get some pretzels here. These things have been sitting for a while. This is nearly a full bag of pretzels. What a shame. I can't have the salt take, so. Whoop. Flip it over. Get your frustration out. This would be good for some of my fighting scenes. That crunchy noise. Still got some uncrunched pretzels in there. I should get a hammer at this point. Hold on. Put down the camera. I can do it better with the camera down. I believe that's good enough. Yeah, nice dusty powder there. I'm going to throw some of these on the, sidewalk. Let's see here. Hey, birds. Time to feed your ass. Alright. Got my road gold pretzels here. Oh boy, it's cold out here. Boys and girls. Alright, we'll sprinkle some up there. Ah, shit. Let's get out a little bit further here. Look at that. They'll love that, dude. Get out here a little bit further. Sprinkle some here. There we go. There's that. Now sprinkle. Get all the way up here. There we go. Come and eat. Birds. There's your pretzels. Come get them. Now we'll wait for about an hour or so. I bet there'll be a whole flock of birds right there. There we are. Yeah, all this stuff is frozen, so it's hard to get to the ground. Gotta feed your birds. Salt in there. Plus it helps melt the ice a little bit. Yeah, alright. I sprinkled some here, some there, and some way over there. We'll see what happens. I'm going inside. It's damn cold in here. Out here. Get me some coffee. Oh. Man, it is cold out there, boy. Oh, whoa. Almost fell over. Alright, we'll be back in about an hour. And we'll see what we've got out here. If not, thanks for watching. So I'm going to take a sip of my coffee now. Like a man. I burnt my tongue. Alright. Let's take a look out this door. Damn you, door. Quit making noise. So as you can see. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at him. Look at him. Look at him gatter. Hell yeah, you can see it now. I got tape on my door, though. Yeah, you can see all the birds. Look at that. Check it out. Of course, as soon as I open my door, they will all fly off, but they love the pretzels. They've come to eat the pretzels. Well, you know they're not gonna die. Look at that. Look at all of them. Look at them, man. Wow, cool. I gotta wipe off my... I gotta wipe this off. There we go. I'd opened my door like I said, but look at him just running out there. Hey Charlie, hey, nice to see you, buddy. Yeah, it's nice to see you too, man. Hey, I need to keep it down, or they'll hear me and they'll fly off. Let's see what happens when I open my door. I want to open my door so bad, but I know they're going to fly off. Look at them. This is some foul footage right here, boy. Oh, man. Alfred Hitchcock, eat your heart out. All right, let's see here. Windows fogging up. Shit, very slowly. Okay, here we go. They're flying off. They're flying off. Look at that. There's like half a dozen, or at least a dozen down there. Yeah. Belly up to the bar, boys. Plenty of pretzels for everyone. Heck yeah. Get in here. Alright. It's getting cold. I'm going to go ahead and shut my door now. But I just wanted to give you guys an update on my pretzel feeding. It's working quite well. Woo, it's cold out there. Oh, there they go. They flew off as soon as I shut my door. Oh, I gotta scratch my knee. Go, just a short video of me feeding the birds. I put on a hat. My hair's just like bleh. So anyway, tilted the camera. We're doing the Batman angle. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Okay, Robin, knock that guy out. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Until next time, this is Hebrew77 saying, look, I found an unusual breed of maskers. Look at that. Well, you guys can't tell the... Here, let me lean this. Mask. Mask. Oh boy.